Hello, traders. FS Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So I still believe that we're in a wave C right now, and I think it's more likely to be either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. I'm definitely leaning more towards expanding flat, so that way it goes up and takes out these highs. So for now, let's keep that in mind and head down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I still think these five waves up right here is a wave one. I still think this is like a big old WXY for wave two. I think we're already in subdivisions of this wave three, and on these higher time frames like the daily and weekly, it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think we got a decent little five ways up right here. And because of looking at the euro dollar for correlation, I think this is likely an expanding flat ABC correction. So this would be five ways up of one, which I think is a subdivision of the wave three, ABC of two, which I think is a wave two of wave three, and most likely we are in an uptrend that is not over. And I still think it's on the higher time frames like the daily and weekly will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up, which is great news for us because that tells us that if we can get in on pullback entries, those are going to be the most profitable trades. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm not really convinced that the correction is over yet. I mean, we do have a little bit of a fib bounce. I think it's more likely that it is going to try to go down at least one more time. It might even go down and we test one of these lower fib levels. So I personally am still looking for shorts because we do not really have any evidence that we have the end of a correction yet. All the higher time frames are telling us the trend is up, so we definitely need to look at this move down as a possible correction, but we're definitely looking for the Fibonacci bounce. We're looking for a break of structure to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm not really convinced that this is the end of a correction right here yet. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I think it's more likely that it is going to try to push down again and maybe retest at 61.8. If it does retest that level, go up and break structure, that's going to be the end of the correction I'm looking for. Or if it blows past that 61.8, goes down to the 78.6, and it makes its double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape at that level, then that would be the end of a correction. So I would personally still be looking for shorts until we get that, Fibonacci bounce, break of structure, 3, 4, 5 shape, double bottom with a break of structure. Once that happens, I would stop looking for shorts and I would start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.